Brilliant. Come on, Sonny. Come on, Gareth Bale. Get up. Kick the ball. Clapping himself. Hey! Amazing, Gareth Bale. Amazing. Go on, Sonny. Oh. No, gotta kick it. Gotta kick it, Sonny. Kick it. Go on, do a volley. Do a nice dribble again. Go. Alright, alright. Kick it. Yes. Amazing.
The red team's final dinner service is complete. And for the blue team to finish theirs.
Well, Jacob and Finney got some competition now, haven't they? Huh? Oh, he runs, he shoots, he scores! Yay!